It's time for some PlayStation on the Game Boy Pi. Testing video. Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector, welcome back to a new video, and in today's video we are going to do some extended testing of the PlayStation on the Game Boy Pi. Let's go! The first game we're going to try out is Crash Bandicoot, one of my all-time favorite games for the PlayStation 1. Alright, search the button, oh here it is. Booga booga! Booga booga! Yeah! Alright. Extra life. Time for a Super Mask! Alright, the loading times are, I think, exactly the same like the original PlayStation. soundtrack of the game gives me goosebumps. So for the final conclusion about the Game Boy Pi and playing PlayStation games on it. As you can see, the games run fine. The 3D games and the two-dimensional games are working very well. So if you want to play these old PlayStation games on your Game Boy Pi, that is no problem at all. So keep something in mind. You don't have all the buttons of the PlayStation controller. You're only having these 6 buttons, and I already noticed with Twisted Metal I am missing out on shooting buttons. So or you need to remap or buy the deluxe version with more buttons. That's something you need to consider for yourself. Overall, the game runs fine, very pleased with it. I want to thank you for watching, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and see you next time. Ooh, and don't forget to hit the little bell because you get notifications for new upcoming videos. See you next time. Bye bye.